See, already the market is quite oversold because just a couple of weeks back we were at lifetime highs. We were at 26,300. तो अभी माहौल ऐसा है कि ऐसे लगता है कि doom and gloom. You know why? Because I think it was in October 24 that the micro cap and the small cap index topped out. तो स्मॉल कैप और माइक्रो कैप में तो 15 से 18 महीने से करेक्शन चल रही है, बट निफ्टी नहीं गिरा. You know, for whatever reasons, Nifty has been in line with the rest of the world. Now the breadth signals in the small cap and in the micro cap space are coming to the point of being oversold. They're still not deeply oversold. What has happened in the last 6 months is anything that was substandard, grade B, grade C, grade D, वो तो सब गिर गया है. 20-40-50% सब गिर गए. बट जो ग्रेड ए स्मॉल कैप है और ग्रेड ए माइक्रो कैप है, they have not fallen and they are now falling. So I think there is room for some more downside. We have still not reached the point where things will become very oversold.
When do you say grade A, small cap and micro cap, what do you exactly mean by that?
See, the small cap index, for example, the small cap 100 index, there are 100 stocks in that index. So you would want to believe that those are the grade A small caps in the market because exchange quantifies them as a part of the index. But there are so many small caps which don't have institutional interest, which is all story and narrative based, which have all corrected in the last 6 months quite a bit. So they don't qualify as companies with earnings, revenue, good quality management, FI ownership, institution ownership, domestic money coming in there. So they are probably grade B and C and D. So they have seen a lot more correction.
And ये basis पे जब आप बोल रहे हो कि oversold लग रहा है आपको small cap and micro cap, it means that you're still bearish on them. मतलब इसमें और correction आएगा.
Yeah, I think the market has more room on the downside.
This is for small caps and micro caps, you're saying, right?
I would even say the overall market.
Okay.
I'll tell you something, Kushal. In the last 20-25 years, everybody thought that India is the sun and everybody, all other markets revolve around it. Because we were the poster boy market in the world. चाहे आप अपना GDP numbers देख लो, जो obviously has been advertised and talked about, and we are proud about it that we are growing at 7-8% on the GDP front. Or as a stock market, we have been one of the best performing large markets in the world for almost a couple of decades because India and US have moved hand in hand in this entire period. For the first time in the last 6 months, I have seen that India has gone off track and the world has gone in a different direction. Today, if you look at it, US markets are at lifetime highs. London, France, China, Brazil, Japan, all are doing well. ये हम लोग ने 20 साल में देखा ही नहीं है कि इंडिया अंडर परफॉर्म कर रहा है और दुनिया चल रहा है. This, I think, is a new normal, I feel, because of our own issues. You know, it could be valuations, it could be the foreign policy, it could be the FI selling. And honestly, for FIs, there are just too many opportunities around the world. Why would I buy and the fact that AI disruption. There's a big debate whether AI is disrupting the country and, we as a society, AI is definitely disrupting. I think even for the country, unless the government takes some very serious steps, India needs to be at the forefront of AI. So keeping all of these factors in mind and given our valuations and the fact that we are completely banking on domestic money, which is 30,000 crores of SIP coming in every single month, I think we are at the risk of a slightly deeper correction. I mean, views can change, but as things stand today, my view is that this correction is going to carry on for some more time.
So as of Jan 2026, you're saying that Nifty, जो अभी 26,300 है, यहाँ पर से correction का possibility है, and then उसके बाद ऊपर जा सकता है. Is that correct?
Yes, I think so. I think we could get an extended correction, but we are not going to get into collapse. Okay. Because it's not possible that the world is doing very well and India collapses. India cannot be in a standalone bear market. India can underperform by not going up, but it doesn't need to underperform by collapsing. So I would say a 10, 12, 15% kind of a dip is entirely possible. But the first signs of strength will come from the small caps and micro caps. So that's something which I will be watching.
So Nifty is at 26,300 right now. What do you think this number will be in December 2026?
Well, that's a tough one. But as I said, don't focus much on the Nifty. I don't think it's going up much. It's not going down much. It's going to be a year where you're going to have a 10% down move, 10% up move kind of a scenario. So Nifty is just going to be in a large range. If you ask me what's the lower end, I would say the lower end is somewhere around 23,500, 23,800. Can we go there? Yes, we can go there. The upper end is around 26,000, 26,500. Can we cross that? Looks difficult right now. So this is just that consolidation. The market is saying, let the economy pick up. I will join you guys.